In this video, I will explain how to prepare indexes in MS Word. For that, you first create one new document, new blank document, and here we need some matter. So for that, what you will do, you need not to type. If you want sample matter, you can type, or otherwise you need not to type. We have one option that is equal to rand. A function is there, and place brackets, functional brackets. Start the bracket and close the bracket and simply press enter. So automatically you will get some information. So to practice something, you need some text. So automatically the rand function will generate. So I am copying the text by selecting the text and Control C and then say Control V, paste. So like that I am generating the text. Okay. We have number of words here. What is the use of this index means? We can prepare words synonyms, similar meanings of different words. Suppose here are some words like for example, I am having document word here. Document we can say a file or something text we can say, that is alias name or alternative name to that document. So for this I will make mark entry and you double click on this one and you go and click in main entry. Automatically that word will come to here, main entry, and sub entry for that you can say something text. Okay, and mark. If you want page number format or you can select something, I am making mark. Okay, automatically the mark entry will come and marks also will come. Okay, I am closing this one. And you try to found some other, suppose picture is there. For picture also I can say you select and double click, or otherwise after mark entry also you can double click on that particular word and I can say figure, alternative name to that particular entry, main entry and sub entry. Okay, mark this one. And if you want some other words, suppose I am closing this and we have some other words like here easier word is there. For that also I am going to take some sub entry. Easy means somewhat not difficult I am giving, not, that is the sub entry. Okay, mark for that. And I can select some other word and say mark entry for choose. For choose I am giving select as alternative name. Okay, mark for that. And you select some other words, for example want, one word is there. For that also I am giving want, I am giving need as alternative name. So like that you can mark your number of words you want. And for example provides is there. For that also double click on that particular word and double click on mark entry, provides, and I am giving gives is the alternative. Okay. So like this I marked the particular words with alternative entries, and if you want to insert the index of those marked entries, come into the blank area, and here you can say insert index. So here preview is available, sample preview, how you want, and here how many columns you want. For example, I am giving how many columns in the page you want to print those entries. I am giving auto, and you can also align, right align, and you can also select the formats, different types of formats, and finally say OK. So automatically you will get this kind of suppose C, alphabetic order, in alphabetic order you will get that one. Suppose if you don't want these marks, you go to home and hide these marks. Now you will get like this. See, under C there is a word choose, for that alternative is select, and for D document alternative is text. E easier, alternative word is not difficult. Picture, under P we have two words and two alternatives or synonyms to that, and want. So like this you will get. And if you want to get in some other index, for example index, here I am giving auto, and instead of classic I am giving modern or bulleted, or you can select any of this. See, you will get like that, and template you will get like that, and fancy you will get like this. Suppose I am giving fancy. Replace this index, already you have, yes, I am going to replace. See, under C we have these words, and under D we have these words. If you want to add more words as marked, so suppose here I am having word, powerful, like that word. For that I am going to mark. Double click on this word and mark entry. I am giving strong. Okay, mark this one. I am closing. So if you want to update these tables, just you can come to this area and update index. So which entry you added? So that is powerful. Under P we got powerful in extra. So like that we can prepare index, we can update index, we can mark index, and finally if you don't want to show those marks, you can hide it. You can deselect that one, and if you want you can select hide or show marks in the home tab. Okay,